Hello, my name is Nadia Balucani, and I'm a professor of chemistry at the University of Perugia in Italy. My field of expertise is chemical reactivity in a rarefied gas phase. And indeed, I'm presenting you a seminar in a few days, and the title of which is Chemistry in the Gas Phase and Molecular Complexity in Space. How far do they go? And I will tell you what is the state of the art of our knowledge regarding the role that gas phase chemistry can have in the formation of a set of organic molecules, are also kind of complex, which might have preceded the appearance of life on Earth and perhaps, why not, elsewhere. Well, there are two types of environments outside our planet in which a massive presence of organic compounds has been observed. Some of those molecules are complex enough to be considered space prebiotic molecules, that is, molecules that are simple enough to form in abiotic processes in space, but they do contain the functional groups of biological molecules or their precursors, and have also the ability to evolve into more complex species once brought to more favorable environments. Well, the environments, the extraterrestrial environments I'm referring to are some regions of the interstellar medium, in particular those regions where new stars and their solar systems form, or the atmospheres of some planets and even moons of our solar system. Well, we will try together to understand where is the limit to the complexity of those organic molecules that can form under those extreme conditions, because those conditions are very different from those we are used on in terrestrial environments, or even more so in an organic chemistry lab, because they are highly rarefied and the temperature is very low, and rarefied conditions and low temperature should preclude any active chemistry, because chemistry needs many molecular encounters to occur and energy to help break or loosen all bonds before forming new ones. But don't worry, my seminar won't be a boring chemistry class, so I hope you will join me for the seminar.